This double chocolate chip cookies is very easy to make and it doesn't require any form of chilling. If you're looking for a delicious cookies recipe to add to your Christmas table, then this recipe is for you. Join me, let me show you how to make it. Into a bowl, we'll be adding half cup of room temperature butter, that is 110 grams. This is how soft your butter should be. Next, we'll go ahead and add 1/4 cup of brown sugar, that is 50 grams. 1/4 cup of white sugar, that is another 50 grams. Then we go ahead to cream it very well until it's properly combined. Once we are done creaming the butter and sugar, we'll go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, that is 5 milliliters, and 30 milliliters of milk, that is 2 tablespoons. Then we go ahead to mix it very well until it's properly combined. Once that is done, we'll go ahead to add our dry ingredients. We'll be adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is 240 grams, half teaspoon of baking powder, that is 3 grams, half teaspoon of baking soda, that is another 3 grams, and half teaspoon of salt, 3 grams again. Then we go ahead to add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, that is 25 grams. Then we mix everything together to properly combine and to form a sticky dough. Once our dough is ready, we'll go ahead to add chocolate chips to it. I'll be adding half cup of dark chocolate and half cup of milk chocolate chips. Then we go ahead to mix it very well until it's properly combined. You can add as many chocolate chips as you want. Once we are done mixing in our chocolate chips, it's time to transfer our cookie dough to our baking tray. Layer your baking tray with parchment paper. I'll be using this ice cream scoop to scoop in the dough, 1 scoop at a time. Once we are done transferring our dough to the baking tray, we'll go ahead and add extra chocolate chips to it. This is optional, but since we are making double chocolate chips, it's advisable to add more chocolate just for extra flavor. Once we are done with that, we'll go ahead and bake it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. After baking, this is what we have. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe at home. I hope you try it. It's really easy to make and it is very delicious. If you enjoyed watching this video so far, please kindly give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below to encourage me. If you've been watching without subscribing, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you'll find something else you love. Don't go anywhere. There's still more recipes coming. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. In this video, we'll be making these mini chocolate chip cookies. If you have kids, make these cookies with them. They will love it because of the small size, and they will enjoy adding extra chocolates on top. This one is a double chocolate chip cookies. If you're a chocolate lover, I'm sure you will love this. It's very delicious. It is so yummy. Watch this video from beginning to end so that you can get all the details. We will start by adding 150 grams of soft butter to a bowl. If your butter is not soft, put in the microwave for just 10 seconds. Next, we will add 80 grams of brown sugar and 80 grams of white sugar. Mix very well to properly combine. After mixing, add 1 egg and 2 drops of vanilla gel or vanilla essence or vanilla sugar, whichever one you have, or you can skip vanilla totally. Mix very well to properly combine. After that, we add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt. Mix very well until a soft dough is formed. After mixing, your dough should look like this. Now onto the fun part. We add 100 grams of chocolate chips. Mix very well. After mixing, we allow the dough to rest for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Because we are making mini cookies, we'll be using this tablespoon to scoop the dough. Scoop 1 tablespoon and mold into a ball using your hands. Transfer to a baking tray layered with parchment paper. Repeat the process until you have exhausted all the dough. Give space in between the cookies because they will spread while baking. Add extra chocolate on top for extra flavor. Preheat your oven for 8 minutes. Then bake the cookies for 10 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Your cookies should look like this after baking, slightly brown and soft to touch. If you enjoyed watching this video, please support my channel by subscribing, commenting and liking, and also share the recipe with your loved ones. Let me know in the comment section if you will be making this recipe at home. I would also love to read about your questions and your recommendations. Please check out my other videos in the channel. I'm sure you will find something you love. In this video, we'll be making these simple yet very delicious double chocolate chip cookies anybody can make at home. In a clean bowl, we will add 150 grams of soft butter. If your butter is not soft, you can put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. Half cup of brown sugar or 100 grams, half cup of white sugar or 100 grams, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. Mix everything together to properly combine or to become creamy. One medium-sized egg. Crack separately before adding it to avoid the shell entering just like mine. Mix together. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour or 240 grams, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix together to form a soft dough. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix properly. Half cup of chocolate chips or 100 grams. Mix well using a spatula. Refrigerate for 1 hour so that you can get the perfect round shaped cookies after baking. Scoop some dough, mold into balls and flatten with your palms. Place on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Add more chocolate chips on top for extra flavor. Bake in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. And your double chocolate chip cookies is ready. Enjoy the way you want, with tea, with coffee. It's very yummy, it's very soft, it's very easy to make. If you have watched up to this extent, thank you so much. Please support the channel by liking, subscribing, commenting. Thank you. Let me know the country you're watching from in the comment section so that I can send you a big hug in my next video. Please write in the comment section any video you'd like me to recreate. any video suggestions you want me to make. I will read through all of them. Thank you so much, and I'll try as possible to recreate them for you. Bye.